It's in your backpack, you know?
Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. We are near Solvang in the Nojoqui Falls Park. We're going to walk up to the waterfall and check it out. So beautiful.
Like me and Kalea and Mom.
And there's my granddaughter and there's my daughter, and then the rest are using the restroom right now, but check this out, you guys. They have really nice picnic areas, barbecue areas, and I believe you can camp here too. All this looks really different to me because I came here to bring some kids on a field trip when I used to drive a school bus. Probably about 12 years ago, but before that I hadn't been here since about 28 years ago. My daughter, who's 30 now, was 2 years old, so it's been that long. So from the parking lot, it's only about a 10-minute walk to the waterfall. It's not that long at all, and it's so beautiful. I love it, and it smells so good, and it smells so fresh. Get out. Going up to the waterfall, you guys. So pretty, smells so good. Oh man, this is so gorgeous. We've got another bench over here. So pretty. Oops, I almost fell. We're going over this little bridge.
can see it.
All right, we're getting to the waterfall.
Over there.
Crossing another little bridge, and then we're gonna be there. Wow,
Right there.
so pretty.
Look at those.
My grandson here was here yesterday with his dad. They actually got in the water. They walked all the way down the little river, back down to the parking lot.
It was so tiring but fun.
Yeah, tiring but fun?
Yeah.
And cold, I bet, right?
Really cold. My feet felt like they were frozen. I couldn't move them.
Oh my gosh,
But
I
it's
wouldn't
so
do
fun.
that. And there it is, you guys. There's the waterfall. Gorgeous. There hasn't been this much water at this waterfall in years, I think. It rained so much this past 3 days that it just like, look at it, how gorgeous. Just filled it up with water and we got a beautiful waterfall. We got another tiny waterfall over here. You got to be real careful right here because it's very narrow, so you got to hold on to this so you won't fall into the water. Unlocking food. And there goes Katalea's gum and Uncle Kyle to retrieve it. Ay, ay, ay. So this is it for Nojoqui Falls.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more notifications.
Bye. See you guys next time.